Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an effective pitch deck for your business. My name is Gugu Mutwening, and today I'll be walking you through the essential slides and key points you need to include in your pitch deck. Whether you're pitching for investment, partnerships, or competition, a well-structured pitch deck can make all the difference. So let's dive in. The first slide is your cover slide. Here, you should include your business name and logo. This slide is important because it sets the tone for your entire presentation. Make sure your logo is clear and represents your brand well. Keep the design clean and professional to make a strong first impression. Next, we move on to the introduction. This is where you should include yourself and your business in a concise manner. You're introducing yourself. Include a brief sentence about who you are, your role, and what your business does. Think of this as your elevator pitch. For example, hello, I'm Cindy Tambo, the founder of EcoGlow Energy Solutions. We provide affordable renewable energy solutions to rural communities lacking access to reliable electricity. Slide 3 is all about defining the problem you're solving. This is a crucial part of your pitch. You need to clearly explain the problem that your target market is facing and why it's worth solving it. Make sure to communicate the agency or importance of addressing this problem. For example, over 1 billion people worldwide live without access to reliable electricity, which hinders education, healthcare, and economic development. Be specific and show why it matters. Now that you've defined the problem, let's talk about your solution. This is where you explain how your business solves the problem. You also want to introduce your unique value proposition, which aligns or rather highlights what your solution stands out from the competition. You need to be clear and confident in stating why your solution is different and better. For example, EcoGlow offers portable solar-powered energy kits that are affordable and designed specifically for off-grid rural communities. Next is your market analysis. This slide should include some key data about your target market and the opportunity you're addressing. Mention the size of your target market, or rather your market at the specific segment you are targeting. This also is where you explain why your business has a growth opportunity. For example, the off-grid solar market is projected to reach $3.1 billion by 2027. We are targeting rural communities in sub-Saharan Africa. Your business model. This slide explains how your company makes money. You should clearly outline your revenue streams and how your business is structured to generate income. For example, we sell solar energy kits directly to consumers through local partnerships and offering financing options. Make sure this is easy to understand, even if it's for someone unfamiliar with your industry, right? Now, let's talk about your intended business growth. This includes your short-term goals and long-term vision for the company. Investors want to know where you see the business in the future. For example, in the next 12 months, we plan to distribute 10,000 units in Kenya and expand to neighboring countries within 5 years. Show ambition, but be realistic. This is your traction slide, where you showcase any progress you've made so far. It could be product development, customer feedback, partnerships, or sales. This helps build credibility and shows that your business is already making strides. For example, we've been already piloted the problem in 500 homes with a 95% satisfaction rate. This slide is all about providing that your business is gaining momentum. You are proving your momentum, you're proving if you have done something prior to looking for investment, funding, or partnerships. On the team slide, highlight the key members of your team and their expertise. Investors and partners want to know if the team has the skills and experience to execute the business plan. Mention the backgrounds of your team members and how they contribute for the business and to the business. For example, our team includes Cindy Tambo, who has 8 years of experience in renewable energy projects, and Dudu Okeye, an expert in solar technology engineering. So here you are showing that your team is really capable of delivering results. Next, we move on to the competition. Identify your main competitors, right? And explain why or how your business differentiates itself. Highlight your competitive advantage, whether it's your pricing, technology, or business model. For example, our competitor includes Sunlight Power Company, but our pricing is tailored for low-income households, and we offer flexible financing. Be sure and honest about the competition and why your solution is better. Finally, we come to the ask slide. This is where you clearly state what you are asking for, whether it's funding, partnerships, or resources. Be specific about how much you need and how you'll use it. For example, we are seeking $500,000 in seed funding to scale production, expand distribution, and invest in marketing. This is your chance to show that you know exactly what you need to take your business to the next level. So that brings us to the end of the pitch deck. Remember, the key to a successful pitch is clarity, confidence, and engagement. Make sure you practice your delivery, stay within your limit, and always be prepared for questions. Thank you for watching and good luck with your pitches.